Hey guys, today we will discuss about how to burn belly fat extremely fast.
So let's start the video. Let's face it, we've all been there.
That stubborn layer of belly fat that just won't budge.
You try everything, dieting, exercising,
yet it clings on for dear life. Millions of people struggle with belly fat, and it can feel like an uphill battle. But here's the good news: shedding that extra padding around your midsection is entirely achievable. With the right approach and a little dedication, you can trim down and achieve the leaner, healthier body you've always desired. It's about understanding the science behind fat loss and adopting sustainable habits that work for you.
We're talking about real, lasting results through a combination of effective strategies.
So, if you're ready to say goodbye to that muffin top and hello to a slimmer waistline, buckle up and get ready to learn. When it comes to losing belly fat, diet plays a crucial role.
You can't out-exercise a poor diet.
It's all about creating a calorie deficit, which means consuming fewer calories than your body burns. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and keep you feeling full and satisfied.
Think lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains.
Protein is particularly important for fat loss as it helps build and maintain muscle mass. Healthy fats are also crucial for hormone production and overall health. Don't shy away from foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Exercise is the other side of the coin when it comes to shedding belly hydrated.
We often underestimate the power of a good night's sleep when it comes to our health and weight management.
When we consistently skimp on sleep, our bodies produce more cortisol, often dubbed the stress hormone. Elevated levels for prolonged periods can lead to a cascade of negative effects, including increased belly fat storage. Furthermore, lack of sleep disrupts other crucial hormones involved in appetite regulation, such as leptin and ghrelin. Sleep deprivation throws these hormones out of balance, leading to increased cravings, particularly for sugary and fatty foods. Prioritizing sleep is crucial for anyone serious about shedding belly fat and improving their overall health.
Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night.
Establish a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our bodies, impacting everything from our mood and sleep to our waistlines. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, the hormone that can sabotage our best efforts to lose belly fat. This response was designed to help us deal with immediate threats, but in our modern world, stress is often ongoing and low-level. This promotes fat storage, especially around the midsection. Managing stress is essential for both our mental and physical well-being. Find healthy ways to distress and incorporate them into your daily routine.
We often overlook the simplest things that can significantly impact our health and well-being.
Staying adequately hydrated is one such factor that often gets pushed aside. Drinking enough water throughout the day is crucial for numerous bodily functions. Water is essential for boosting our metabolism, the process by which our bodies burn calories for energy.
Even mild dehydration can slow down our metabolism, making it harder to shed those extra pounds. Water helps us feel fuller for longer, acting as a natural appetite suppressant.
By staying hydrated, we can better regulate our hunger cues and make healthier food choices. Water also aids in digestion and helps our bodies flush out toxins. When it comes to losing belly fat, there's a lot of misinformation circulating out there. From fad diets to miracle exercises, it's easy to get caught up in the hype and fall prey to myths that promise quick fixes but deliver little to no results.
Let's debunk some of these common misconceptions and separate fact from fiction.
One pervasive myth is the idea of spot reduction. Many believe that doing countless crunches or ab exercises will magically melt away belly fat. However, spot reduction is a myth. While these exercises strengthen abdominal muscles, they don't specifically target fat in that area. Fat loss occurs throughout the body as a result of a calorie deficit. Another common misconception is that all fats are bad. Healthy fats are essential for overall health and can actually aid in fat loss. Incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your diet. Embarking on a journey to shed belly fat and achieve a healthier body is an admirable goal. However, it's crucial to approach this endeavor with the right mindset, understanding that true and lasting results take time and effort. There's no magic pill or overnight solution. Patience and consistency are your greatest allies in this pursuit. Sustainable weight loss, particularly when it comes to belly fat, occurs gradually and steadily through a combination of healthy habits. Remember that consistency is key. It's far more effective to make small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain over the long term. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or plateaus, which are a normal part of the process. Stay the course, and celebrate your progress along the way. Embrace the process, and enjoy the positive changes you're making for your health and well-being. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a healthier, more confident you.
Shedding that stubborn belly fat is a journey that requires dedication and commitment, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Remember, you're not alone in this pursuit.
Millions of people struggle with belly fat, and with the right approach and a positive mindset, you can achieve your goals. Throughout this guide, we've delved into the key strategies for rapid belly fat loss. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Start by incorporating small changes into your daily routine, gradually building upon them as you progress. Remember to prioritize sleep, manage stress effectively, and stay hydrated throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.